Okay, you got pocket. It's going. Okay.
Hey, that dude nigga hard, nigga.
Who the fuck to trust? Is she my friend or my foe? I'm off the exit, draw. Yeah, she give me that claim I was wrong. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understands me. I'm good at artists, silly, I'm Bob, Bambi. Baby, text. She wanna give me like candy.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy John the C8. You already know what time it is. Today we're at the shooting range. I love guns a lot. And today, I'm gonna bring out the Draco. You hear about it all the time, rap songs, movies. El Chapo got them. You know, everybody got them. Osama bin Laden. But today, we have a special guest. She go by the name of Jazz. We were able to talk to her after the prank video, and we got her to shoot some guns for us.
Maybe.
And this is the gun we got. Big boy gun. They can put holes in your car. This is it right here. Draco. We also got the MP5. You know, Call of Duty, Pow Pow. And we got another Draco. So this is the micro Draco. This is the micro, and this is the mini Draco we got right here. And we got the AR with the scope. We ain't playing no games out here. We shooting, we splashing, we do everything out here. Stay tuned. Watch the head of this video. You know the bang bang. Miss Jazz.
Yeah.
How often you go to the gun range?
Never.
Okay. Well, it's rules you gotta go by at the gun range.
Okay.
And you wanna make sure that you don't hurt nobody else.
Right.
So let's be serious with this, cause this especially this gun, this does work. So whenever you're handling this gun, you always keep the gun pointed down range.
Okay.
Because you don't want to point it nowhere where it can harm somebody or damage something.
Right.
So whenever you get it, you want to always check the chamber because you want to make sure there's a bullet already in there.
Okay.
You know, you want to check it.
That's the chamber.
Yeah, well, it's on. Let me take it off safety. That's the safety in the fire mode.
Okay.
So you want to do that? Try that real quick.
Dang, you made that look easy.
Oh yeah.
Hold on. Hold on.
You got it. You got it.
Okay.
Okay. So always, like I said, always keep the always keep it pointed down, and then whenever you shoot, okay, so you want to go like this.
Okay.
Make sure that you line up the sights.
Okay.
Okay, so let's practice this real quick.
Okay.
So you want to bend over like you're tying your shoes.
Okay. Or like
Okay.
that?
Okay. Yeah. Okay, you want to line up the sights. You want to make sure that you.
And I'm looking through the hole.
Yeah, you want to look through the hole. And then you want. Oh, hold on. You made a mistake.
Did I?
Okay. Finger on. Never want to do finger on the trigger.
Okay.
So you want to always keep your finger. You want to keep it straight.
Keep it straight.
Keep it straight like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Or higher like that. Yeah, like that. Because you never want to accidentally shoot off the gun.
Right.
Whether it's loaded or not.
Okay.
So you don't put your finger on the trigger until you're ready to shoot.
Okay.
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 So,
Am I holding it right like this?
huh?
Am I holding it like this?
Yeah, you hold it like that, like you have Scarface. And so I'm gonna shoot first,
Okay.
and then just I'm gonna demonstrate it, and I want you to just finish.
Okay.
All right, so
I'm gonna sit back.
we're gonna start off with mag. A lot of people call them clips. I already know. These are mags, so make sure.
Tell them we put clips in your hair. That's a mag.
Yeah, this is a bag. It's not no clips. Alright. Hold on. Here we go. You want to cock it? See that? Finger off the trigger.
Hold on, let me see.
Finger off the trigger.
Okay.
It's loaded.
Okay.
Stays loaded.
It's loaded.
Always have it point downward, down range. So I'm actually, you want to have your foot placement. You want to make sure that you're like this. You want to aim down sights. You don't want to have it too close to your face. Come on, it ain't gonna hurt. Come on.
Okay.
You don't want to have it too close. Come a little closer. Let me show you. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. Think about it.
Just about.
Okay. So you don't want to have it too close to your face. It's gonna punch you in the face. So you got power. You gotta lean up to it like this. All right. So you got your earplugs on. Okay, you got your earplugs?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So I'm about to take a shot. When you shoot, you gotta hold your breath. You gotta squeeze the trigger. And then when you got aim, you gotta take a fire. Here we go. It's been a minute since I shot this thing. Hold on.
Oh. Woo.
Let's go again. I'm gonna go again. Let me take notes.
God.
Bang bang.
I'm not shooting that
Hey. Hey. This thing.
You got me. Oh, sorry.
This thing right here. Hey. When they hear this, they running.
You trying to
They
make
running.
me fly.
Huh?
You trying to make me fly all the way back.
Hey, you got it. You got
No.
the grip. Make sure you lean up all up in it. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot 2 more. All right. This thing got power.
That's what I'm saying. You crazy. I'm not shooting that.
You got, hey, it's really easy.
Oh
After we
my
get
God.
comfortable, then we're gonna do rapid fire. But I want to get her used to it. But first, it's still a bullet in here. Just because the clip is out, it doesn't mean there's no bullet in here.
Right.
What you want to do is always, whenever you can handle a gun, you want to check it. So look, see that?
Right.
You want to always make sure, because sometimes it'll be a bullet in the chamber. So you want to make sure that you clear it up, like here, clear. So anytime you check and you get a gun, you want to look at it, make sure there's no bullet in there.
Okay.
Then whenever you're ready, you gotta go like this, clip it in there. So let's go ahead and.
Oh, you want me to clip it?
Yeah, I want you to try it out. Wait, hold on. First, you gotta check to make sure that there's no bullet in there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I see.
These are the sights. You gotta pair them up. Okay. Let me know when you're ready. You gotta lead into it.
I'm not.
It's gonna be loud.
Is it gonna come back on me?
No, you good. It's gonna be boom. But once you shoot 2 shots, you get used to it. Hold it tight. You got it. Come on. Come on.
Oh my God.
Just pull the trigger and then shoot. Wait, don't lock it right. Right there. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
There you
I
go.
got it.
You got it. Okay. So you got not used to it.
Yeah.
Okay. It ain't too hard.
No, it's not.
It ain't too much.
loud.
Okay, so match both lines up,
Okay.
and then you want to just squeeze the trigger, hold your breath, and then aim for the hard.
Okay. Ready?
Oh yeah, I'll be ready. There you go. You got power.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go.
Oh shit.
Okay, you got this.
Hold on. Yeah. Oh!
Okay. Keep it safe. Keep it safe. Okay.
Oh my gosh!
You got this. You learned.
Badass!
Yeah, you learned. Yeah, you learned. All right, come on, you got this. Lean all up to lean forward.
Okay.
Yeah. Pop. Do it 2 times. We're gonna do it 2 times.
Back to back?
Yeah, back to back.
Ooh!
Okay. Okay. How you like that?
It's, oh my god!
Yeah, watch the mother. Okay.
You said that's enough?
Alright, so I'm gonna take one more spin at it. So I'm gonna look a bit more crazy on it. I don't recommend this, but it's fun to do. I'm gonna do a little bit of rapid fire, and then we're gonna have her do a little rapid fire. But you wanna always make sure your aim is good too before you have fun.
Okay. Ooh! My arm, y'all.
Yeah.
It feel like a spaghetti.
Oh, yeah. Remember, keep it off the trigger. This is loaded. This is the live gun. So I'm about to actually shoot it.
Excuse me.
This thing, you got power when you shoot this thing.
Hold on.
Hey, I know it's crazy, but it just feels so good just having that kind of power.
Yeah, it does. It does feel good. I'm not gonna lie.
Huh?
I'm not gonna lie, it does feel good.
Yeah, keep going right at the target.
Oh, it's out now.
Okay. We're gonna reload the man.
Man, that thing is heavy, y'all.
Alright, so these bullets do damage.
Yeah.
This is 7.62 by 39, y'all. If y'all don't know, this is a must-have for the house. It ain't the best for the accuracy.
What, you trying to kill the hawk?
Hey, if you got somebody kicking your door, you're gonna be ready to hit them. You're gonna be ready to get at them.
You trying to kill the hawk, y'all.
All right, so go ahead and cock it.
Okay.
Keep the gun always pointed down.
Okay. Wait. Ooh, that's kind of hard.
All right, there you go. You got this. First, take a few single shots.
Okay.
And then go ahead and do rapid fire. Yeah. There you go. So, they gonna have it. It's your boy John the C8. Our girl Jazz here.
Bye, y'all.
She now a Draco learner.
Yeah. I was a little nervous, but now I'm good.
She got this. So, ladies out there, once we go to the gun range, stay tuned. We got some more episodes. In fact, speaking of the next episode, we're gonna be actually using the MP5. This right here will take you to the SWAT team. You're gonna turn to the SWAT team dealing with this gun right here. You're gonna feel like you in Call of Duty.
Wow.
So, I want y'all to comment and let me know if we should use her again. Can we do a little spin? Okay, she looking nice, but we're gonna make sure her aim is looking nice too. So, I want y'all to be the judge. Do y'all think she actually hit the target, or she think she went over the mountain? Kill some deers.
You gotta kill some deers.
Shit, something. But I want y'all to comment, like, and subscribe. We got a whole bunch of stuff coming up. Stay tuned.